Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys can see, I'm changed. I'm ready to head out. I have a very cozy fit on today. I wore the same outfit ages ago in one of my videos. It's from the brand called Latian. It's just super cozy and I was just confused about what I want to wear today. And I usually repeat my outfits when I just don't want to think about it. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I've done this look before. So I just need to head out quickly. So yeah, I am wearing this very cozy set. But today, what do I need to do? Oh, I need to go to the post office. Let me show you. So I got this pair of sneakers from Converse and I received the wrong size. So I just need to go return it. But I thought I'll just show you quickly. Look at this. It sort of has this holographic kind of detail, which I think it's quite cool. I almost just dropped that. You guys saw that. But yeah, I need to go to the post office to return this. And then also, I want to check out my PO box because I got a notification saying I have like a parcel or mail or something like that. And the last time I went there a few weeks ago, there was nothing. So I thought I will go there today since I need to ship these out anyway. And then also, I want to go to a store today because I just saw that they had the Murakami Pancake like pan. You guys know which one I'm talking about, right? I showed it in one of my vlogs and said that I really want it, and they actually got them in today, so I have to go. Like, I need it, and I'm so excited that I can make Murakami pancakes. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I feel like I'm missing something. Also, I wanted to show you this huge parcel that I got sent from Uniqlo, and I've looked at some of the stuff and it just looks super cozy, but I need to actually go through them. Let me show you. Look at all this stuff that I received. So I need to go through them. I already tried these sweatpants. They're from the Uniqlo U collection and this one is just super comfy. I'll show you guys everything on either on Instagram or maybe here. I'm not too sure yet, but I need to go shoot these this week. So I need to put together some fits because I can't remember what I picked. It's just a lot of very earth tones, which I'm into. I need to head out now because the post office closes at 5. It is 3 o'clock now and also Restore closes at 5. So I need to get my life together. I mean, I'm changed, I'm ready to go. So what am I doing with my hands? Let's go. So mission accomplished at the post office. I don't actually need to wear a mask when I'm outdoors now, but I'm just so used to it. But yeah, the post office wasn't even that busy. I got a little parcel. I have to look at it properly, but I don't know what it is. I'll open it when I get home. But right now, I think it's like 5-ish. So I will make it in time to Restore. No, wait, they close at 5? Wait, is it 4 now? I'm so confused. I should probably check the time, but I'm pretty sure I'll still be able to make it in time. So I'm just gonna catch the tram and head there now. So this is the magazine that comes with the pen, but you guys know that I'm here for the pen. Let me show you guys the magazine, and I was flipping through it before, and it actually comes with a recipe. Look at this. I'm definitely gonna make it, but we're here to unbox this quickly. Hold on. I haven't even asked how much this is, but look at this. Okay. And then in here, this is the most unprofessional unboxing, you guys. I'm gonna see. Look at this, it's so cute. So obviously you can see the little Murakami flower, and then also on the handle, this is so cute. Okay, in this vlog, I will definitely be making some pancakes. So you guys can look forward to that. I think I need to go buy some ingredients. There's nothing in my apartment. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this quickly. And then I think I'm gonna go to Adidas after this because I want to ask about the 450 release. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So I'm back at the Asian grocery store because I wanted to get some pancake mix so that I can make my pancakes with the Murakami pan. Obviously you can make your own pancake recipe, but I guess I'm just a little bit lazy, so I'm gonna buy this. And then also, in my last vlog, I showed you guys that I was addicted to these almonds, so I'm here to get more flavors. These are the almonds that I'm talking about. So last time I got this one here, which I really like, but I want to try something else. So this one here is mint chocolate. This could be good because you guys know I'm on this mint chocolate wave. And I think Beatrice tried, it's like a garlic bread one. Wait, is this even focusing? But yeah, garlic bread sounds so good as well. They have tteokbokki, wasabi, just so many. Like, how do I just pick one? Okay, I'll pick two today. So I think I might go garlic bread and maybe mint chocolate. I don't know what is Pyongyang mayo almond flavor, but I can see like a picture of chilies, so I feel like this could be good as well. Alright, I'm gonna get this too. I've made it home and I thought I'll do a quick little taste test because I'm really addicted to these almonds. So these are the ones I bought last week. So today I bought 3 more flavors and I looked up what Pyongyang mayo means and I think it's sort of like a spicy pepper. So I'm very excited to try this. And then also, oh, I can smell like a really strong like pepper capsicum kind of scent. So this is, hold on, let me pour some up to show you guys. Not that you guys want to know what these almonds look like. I thought this is going to be spicy, but it's not. It has a pepper capsicum kind of flavor and it's a little bit on the sweet side. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think it's my favorite. It doesn't taste bad, but I guess I was expecting something a bit spicy. I would say I prefer the hot and spicy chicken flavor more because this one you can definitely feel a bit of heat. How good does garlic bread flavored almond sound? So I can't wait to try this. And also this is by a brand called Tom's Farm. And yeah, I never knew that it existed. It's only because, oh, look at this. So with the garlic bread flavor, there's actually like little croutons in there. So I guess that's garlic bread croutons. This is so good. Definitely quite a strong garlic flavor, and then also the croutons are very crispy and nice. But keep in mind, like all these savory flavors kind of have a bit of a sweet taste to it, so if you don't like something that's too sweet, you may not enjoy it. And then this one here is the mint choco almonds, because you guys know that I've been on this mint chocolate ice cream wave. I think I'm slowly getting over it. Like I haven't really been eating a lot of mint ice cream, but initially I think last month I was just so into it. But this smells so good, and look at this. This is what the almonds look like. Definitely smells like mint chocolate. These are good. Okay, if you had to buy one, I would recommend this if you like mint chocolate, because I know it's like a hit or miss. Some people don't really like mint chocolate, but I personally really love it. You can see there's a mint chocolate coating on the outside and there's the almonds inside. So good. So good. This one as well. So good. I feel like this almond company needs to just sponsor me because I really, really love their snacks. Is so addictive. But anyway, enough of my little snack haul. I wanted to show you guys some parcels that I received. So this one I just got today, and I kind of already know what this is. It's from Enquiries. I've shown some of their socks on my vlogs before, and the quality is actually really great, and I would highly recommend them. And they came out with more. Oh, look at how cute. Okay, hold on. They sent me so many. Thank you so much, Apothecary, for sending me your socks, because you know I love socks, and I think socks are really important when it comes to like pairing it with your sneakers. And there's also some stickers here. It's like this holographic effect, super cool. And then they've sent me a ton of their new socks. So I think this is a mid kind of cut. I want to open this up because it looks so cute. There's like a bunch of very, very cute pastel colors. And I actually, look at this! I love this color. So it's sort of like a pinky lilac color, and this would pair so well with this hoodie I just bought. I haven't received it just yet, but I bought the Nike NRG lilac hoodie, and I feel like this would go so well. And then you can see there is the A embroidery here, and the quality on these are great. So I've had the longer one. Hold on, this is actually the longer one. I think there's also like some mids. I think it's this one here. This is what it looks like. And then yeah, this is the shorter one, so I think I would really enjoy the length of this. I love the little branding tag here as well. So this one here is sort of in this mossy olive green gray kind of color. And yeah, these are so great. I cannot wait to wear them. So thank you, Apothecary, again for sending these to me. I think they're really, really cool. I'll definitely leave a link down below so that you guys can get them as well. Wait, I want to open this up because I just saw the color of this through the packaging. And I love this. Look at this. So this is sort of like a brownie neutral stone kind of color. This is definitely my vibe. It would go so well with my foam runners as well, or any kind of earth tone sneakers. And yeah, I love them, so thank you so much. Moving on, I want to open up the little parcel that I picked up at my PO box today. So it's from a company called Top Floor Gallery, and they're actually based in Victoria as well. Let me open this up. I always leave my PO box details in the description bar below. So if you guys want to send me anything, feel free to just send it there and I can unbox it on my channel. Or even if you just want to send me a letter or anything, I would love that. So in here, I can't really see what's in here with all the bubble wrap. So, what is that? So it's another pair of socks, and it says here, "Hi Leanne, here's a little gift from us. Keep killing it. Top Floor Gallery." Thank you so much. Is this like a socks haul? So many socks. So this one here is obviously pink, and let's have a look. It's a pair of bathing ape socks. So cute. These will go so well with my 2006 or 5 Babe Stars that I have. And again, like super nice thick socks. I've never actually owned any socks from Babe, but these are so cute. Thank you so much. And then there's also a little Fendi notepad. I should look up Top Floor Gallery because I reckon they should be another like sneaker consignment resale store here in Melbourne. I'm not too sure. I haven't really heard of them before. But then again, guys, I'm like in my own bubble. I usually just go to a few selected stores that I'm familiar with here. But yeah, they also gave me this Fendi notebook pad thing, which is so cool. Very bougie. Look at this. I love it. Lately, I've been really enjoying like writing down things that I need to do. Usually I just type it in my phone and set reminders, but I feel like when I physically write it, that's when I feel like, okay, I need to get it done. So this will come in super handy. This is the name of the store as well as their little note. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I am making such a mess. Every single time I do an unboxing, I just end up with stuff all over the floor. And you guys know before I went to Restore and I picked up my Murakami Pancake pen, which I'm so excited about. And this is the magazine. So I don't know what Smart magazine is all about. It seems like a lifestyle kind of magazine. I can't really read Japanese, so I don't know what's in here, but I'm definitely going to be making these pancakes because look at this, how cute. It might take quite a while to make a whole stack of the pancakes because you're cooking them individually in this pan, but I cannot wait. I might do that tomorrow if I have time, but I just realized that I don't have any maple syrup at home, so I might have to buy some before I can start making my pancakes, or else like how can you eat pancakes without maple syrup? That is just not a thing. Anyway, one last thing that I want to show you guys is this. So This is the Converse Chinatown Market collab. So Converse kindly sent this to me, which is really nice of them. So you can see it's part of the NBA collection. It is very, very thick and warm. I have not tried this on just yet. And it also comes with the matching track pants, and I got this in a size small. I think it is a unisex collection, so hopefully it fits me. It seems to be okay, but if there's drawstrings around the waist, I can just adjust it. I've actually been pretty excited about this collection because Brad Hall did an unboxing on his channel, and you guys know how I feel about Brad Hall. Like, I just love him so much. And he did an unboxing and he got like the leather jacket and stuff. I think that looks super cool. And then there's also some sneakers as part of that collection. So I am hoping that I get the sneakers soon. Because yeah, I think they look really cool and it will look so great with like this full set. But yeah guys, that is my little unboxing for now. So I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. This week I also need to shoot some photos for Uniqlo. You guys saw that huge box of Uniqlo clothing that I have, so I'm very, very excited. I will be shooting that on Wednesday with Beatrice, so I'll definitely bring you guys along with me, and then I guess we'll have some nice food, because that is usually what I do when I go shoot with my friends. Like, we'll take some photos and then we just go eat a lot of food. So it's gonna be a very exciting day, but there's just so much clothes in there, so I feel like I need to bring a mini suitcase or something because I need to change outfits and stuff. So I need to plan that and plan the photos that I want to take and where to take them. So yeah, anyway, I will stop rambling on for now. So I thought I'd just show you guys what the socks looks like on, and I think the length is perfect. Sorry about the awkward angle, but I tried on the white pair with the green detail and the quality is so great, super, super comfy. Highly recommend them if you guys are after some mid socks, or if you haven't tried any of the Apothecary socks. This is usually my go-to length of socks because I don't like anything that's too high, because it makes my legs look like shorter. So yeah, this is my little outfit for today. It's very messy at the back, so ignore all of it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I'm editing this vlog and it is getting quite long, so I think I'm going to split it in two parts. So this is part one, and in part two I'm going to be making the pancakes, and also here are some other things that you guys can look forward to.